So guys, in previous video we have learned how to solve the first two layer of a Rubik cube. In this lecture, we see or learn how to solve the third layer of a Rubik cube. Before we have learn the how to solve the third layer of Rubik cube, we have to learn some basic terminology of the Rubik cube like F. F is used for front. When we use the word F is used for the front, it's like this F. But when we say F dash, it is like that in anti-clockwise. F is in clockwise and F dash is in anti-clockwise. After that, R is for right, clockwise, R, and R dash is anti-clockwise. After that, U is for the upper, U clockwise, U dash anti-clockwise. L is for left, left clockwise, L dash anti-clockwise. D is for down, D clockwise, D clockwise, D dash anti-clockwise. And M is for middle, M clockwise, M dash anti-clockwise. So after we learn this basic terminology, we have go to how to solve the third layer. So firstly, when we see the upper part, we see many patterns like only we appear dot of yellow color, opposite L, or a middle line consists of yellow color, cross, or a fish. So here a dot opposite L is appear. When a dot or opposite L or middle line is appear, we use a algorithm is given below. So we use this algorithm. So firstly F R U R dash U dash and F dash. So here a middle line appear. Always never try to hold the cube in this position. Always the middle line in towards us. So here again we try the same code F R U R dash U dash and F dash. So here a cross appears. Always try to hold the cube. The yellow center is appears in corners of side. So here we try the another algorithm given below. So we use this algo R U R dash U R U U R dash. Here a pattern of fish is appears. Here it is a fish. Here is eye of fish and here the wings of fish. So here again we try the same code R. Firstly you have to hold the cube towards the eye of fish and try the same pattern R U R dash U R U U R dash. So our upper part is done, and after that we have to arrange the sides that we have already told in the first layer. In fourth step we have arranged the sides. So for arranging the sides, firstly we have to find the two corners of same color. There is no sides which have two corners of same color. Then we have to hold the cube randomly from wherever you want. So we hold the cube in this position. After that we use the algorithm for arranging the corners. So here is the algorithm for arranging the corners. So we applying the algorithm R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B R R. So here a layer with two corners is arranged. Already middle piece is already arranged. So face the full part to our palm hand and applying the same code for arranging the remaining corners. So again R dash F R dash B B R F dash R dash B B double R. So here our same color corners is done. So firstly we mix the yellow side with green side with green portion and then face it our palm hand and then we have to arrange the middle pieces. So another algorithm is used for arranging the middle pieces. So here the algorithm is given for the middle piece. To arranging the middle piece, firstly we face the full sold side to the palm hand, and after that we rotate the front side 180 degree, 90, 180. Then we find how the orange center is in left side. So the orange center is in left side, so we give the side to the left. After that we L down, R down, interchanging the colors 90, 180, L up, R up. Thus we have given the side to the left side, so left side, and the double F, F, F. So our whole cube is done. If you like this video, then click on the like button or subscribe our channel, and if you are have any confusions, so comment below. Thank you. In next video we have learned how to make the different patterns like this, cube in a cube, or a checkerboard pattern given that, or different patterns like 10 or 11 patterns. So see our videos. Thank you.